The Zesty Besty lemonade stand. In the quiet suburb of Stone Creek, 12-year-old Alicia launched a summer lemonade stand called Zesty Besty Lemonade. While most children tracked only their daily cash, Alicia decided to operate with professional precision, adopting accrual accounting to gain a clearer picture of business performance over time. Accrual accounting, unlike the more common cash-basis method used by small ventures, records revenue when it is earned and records expenses when they are incurred, not when the cash is received. Office of the University Controller, Glossary. This method offered Alicia a deeper understanding of her operations' financial health. For instance, while she may have received payment for a bulk lemonade order in July, she recorded the revenue in June, when the lemonade was actually delivered and the service completed. This approach aligns with the matching principle, ensuring revenues and all related expenses are recorded within the same time period. Brag, accrual accounting definition, accounting tools. For Alicia, this meant recording the costs of sugar, lemons, and biodegradable cups in the same period she sold the lemonade, not when she paid the vendor a week later. This allowed her to determine her actual profit for each week of operation, enabling smarter pricing and inventory decisions. Accrual accounting provides a more realistic understanding of income and expenses and helps with long-term projections, especially when planning for expansions like adding cookies or partnering with a nearby park for weekend sales. What is accrual accounting? HBS Online. This strategic insight, often unavailable to cash-basis operations, helped Alicia envision Zesty Besty Lemonade not just as a summer hobby, but as a growing enterprise. Economic events are recorded, irrespective of the dates on which any associated cash flows occur. Brag. So when Alicia signed a deal to purchase 500 custom-printed cups, the obligation was recorded immediately, even if she paid the supplier a month later. This practice made her accounting more compliant with US GAAP or IFRS governed companies, which require recognizing revenue and expenses when they happen, not when cash moves. M. Franklin et al. Accounting is the process of conveying information to the firm's stakeholders. MIT Sloan School of Management and Co. And for Alicia, that meant preparing financial statements to share with her parents, her initial investors. Using accrual accounting, she presented clear income statements, showing when and how her business was performing, regardless of cash on hand. Even though some private companies may choose to use cash-basis accounting, Dahlquist and Knight, Alicia's early decision to adopt accrual methods positioned Zesty Besty Lemonade for transparency, scalability, and operational insight. After all, accrual accounting measures performance, regardless of when cash is affected. MIT Sloan. Revenue can be recognized at the same time, before or after cash is collected, making it ideal for managing vendor credit or customer pre-orders. MIT Sloan. Alicia's lemonade stand may have started on a folding table in her driveway, but with a keen understanding of financial principles and a strong foundation in accrual accounting, it quickly became a case study in small business best practices. Works cited. Office of the University Controller, Glossary. What is accrual accounting? HBS Online. Bragg, accrual accounting definition, accounting tools. M. Franklin et al. Dahlquist and Knight. MIT Sloan School of Management and Co. The Zesty Besty Lemonade Stand.